scaly breasted munia near the nest. You can see the scaly breasted munia near the nest. Yes, the scaly breasted munia is near his nest, and you can observe him. He is sitting near the nest. Oh, there he goes. Building the nest. You see? See the birds, how they are building their nest. Here you can spot them. They are trying to build the nest. Oh, he has the grass in his beak. You can spot the scaly breasted munia. They are ready to build their nest. Scaly breasted munia bird is a very nice bird. These birds are actually going for extinction, but we are lucky to spot them, and they are building their nest near our balcony. It's a very nice bird, and you can explore